Hello friends, welcome back to Tech with IQ. Today, we will teach you how to recover your forgotten Instagram password. Open your application. Go to this icon from the bottom right end of your screen. Now click on these three lines icons from the top right end of your screen. Go to Settings. Now click on Security. Now you need to click on Saved Login Info. Now here, you have to turn on the function of saved login. Now go back. Now open your phone settings. Scroll down and go to Google. Scroll down again and here you will find the option of autofill. Now select autofill with Google. Here, you will get passwords of different applications from where you will find the forgotten password for Instagram account. Thank you for watching this video. Please click on the subscribe button if you want to get more useful information like this.